Oh my geez, what's going on here? What a flash. Whoa. What am I going to do? Oh, I'm going to run away from this. I'm going to run away from this. This is too much. Oh, what a flash. What am I going to do? Come on, guys. You can take advantage of any flash events. Welcome to live trading session with TFX. So it's your boy TFX in the house again. I'm here today to show you some skills. As I always say, skill is key. Skill is key. Skill is key. So if you build skills over the years and then combine with a lot of learnings and how to take advantage of that learning with the sentiment of other traders, then combining that with your skill, you're on your way to making consistent profit. Okay, all right. This morning I want to show you how to take advantage of a flash event. We have several flash events that just happened early this morning, and at around 3 o'clock GMT, and then this is what happened. I just woke up. I said, okay, let me check what's happening in the market. That's why you have to be consistent. If you're a trader, you want to be consistent. You want to know what happened yesterday, what happened the day before yesterday, what is happening right now, and you want to be alive to know what's happening tomorrow. That's why you have to manage your money well. You have to manage your finance well. You don't want to trade yesterday, today, and then you don't have money to trade tomorrow. You want to be consistent, making profits last month, this month, next year, 10 years to come, making consistent profit and building, wealth of experience over the years. So this morning I woke up to my open my system and say, okay, what's going on? And then I saw this flash event, and this is not the first time I'm taking advantage of flash events because of skills over these. And this same skill we want to pass across to a lot of people to take advantage of the skill of how to make money from a flash event. This is the flash event. Listen, flash event presents you opportunity to make huge profit even with a little account if you know how to trade it. All right, let's get started. Now I want to take a quick look at this account history here, this particular place that I'm clicking here. What's the date? This 31st of March 2020. This is 4:12 GMT, right? That's when the order was placed, and it's 0.1 lot. And then look at the time where it was closed. Opened at 4:12 and closed at 4:30. Wow, that's like 18 minutes of trade. What's the profit? $17.5. How did you do that? It's not an Forex. It's not a guesswork. As you can see on that account, there's been consistent profit in the account. You can see another 0.1 here. That made a raking of $4. You can scroll up, and then you can see a good trader must know how to come out. This trade was not going on well, so we came out at minus 0.22. Do you understand? So a good trader must know when not to, when to come out. You can see also here some micro profit that sets in and rolling there. Do you understand? So what we're trying to say is that as a good trader, you must know when to trade and when not to trade. So let's get back. So we have $17 there, and how do we take advantage of it? What I want you to look at is the time coincide with the flash event. The time of this particular $17.5 coincide with the flash event. So how did we take advantage of that? As you can see, some traders still going on. We have a buy here, 0.001 here, which is also bringing in profit. So let's go to trade. So we have this trade open positions here, and we want to explain how to take advantage of flash event across whatever instrument that's presenting itself with flash event, whether currencies, whatever instrument that's presenting flash event. So on EU we have this flash event, and then let's go to this time frame here. So it goes down in about 5 minutes, and then I woke up at this point while it was retracing a step. Now, as I said, trading is skill. combine this event, what's happening right now. Let me ask you this question. What do you think myriads of traders are doing on this stuff on its way up? What do you think many traders are doing? Your guess is as good as mine. Many traders are, buying, taking a buy position. Perfect, good traders with smart money enter buy position at this point. Do you understand? That is 1.0992. Now the question is, while this happened, many people were offline. You were not online. Do you understand? So how do you still take advantage of this when you are not online and the guy arbitrarily step up to this point? What do you do? Price action. Price action. Price action. So what you need to understand is this. I've always told traders, price is also very important. It's very vital in trade. Without price, there's no trade. Okay, if you look at this chart now, and there are no prices here, what are we going to be saying? There won't be anything to say. So price is key in trading. Price action is vital in trading. You might say we don't know how to use price action. No worry, I'm going to be giving out some video on how to use price action. Okay, let's look at this now. So you have this price action and you have this stuff, playing out this way. You can see my red lines, this horizontal line and this horizontal line here. They are, price actions that I have put in place prior to this flash event. I wasn't expecting a flash event, but I normally put price action every day. So each day I put the price action, the resistance, the support, the pivot points and all that. So this flash event happened and this guy crashed through this, support here. You can see a previous support here, finding difficult to break this support here, and then went up and cracked into it. Unfortunately, I wasn't online. If I were online, I take a sell position, I take my move. I wasn't online. So how do you take advantage of this? We're online, you take a sell here because crack it and it's strong. If you're online, when it gets to this, what do? You take a buy position because this is now what at the bottom, support here, because it's a flash event. By nature and by design, every flash event will retrace itself near to, if you see a flash event downwards, near to a fast support there, it will retrace itself, or at a support. So as you can see here, it retraced itself and then it went up. So the question is this: if you're online, the idea is this: if you're online, you take a sell here because I cracked it. If you're online, you take a buy here and you make your money. But I was not online and I still made $17.5 in about 17 minutes. How do we do that? Price action. So I woke up and I saw this thing going up this way. I said, okay, what am I going to do? Calm yourself down. Don't run away. Don't run away. Don't run away. Don't panic. Just calm down. So this guy went up here and I saw this guy kissing, caressing these former support that has not turned resistance. Former support that have not turned resistance. So this guy kissed that guy and I say, oh wow, this is my opportunity. A lot of traders have this sentiment that is retracing, and then you can also couple it with news. I advise people to always make use of the news wire that they have in their MT4. So you can see the news here, and the news came in and said Euro USD bounced back from the flash event. It recovered from the flash event. So that suggests to a lot of traders that it has recovered, and so they are taking a buy position. This is a good place to do your scalping and making money. So I look at it and say, okay guys, a lot of people are saying buy here. If a lot of people say buy here, and this was a very strong support before, and now should be a strong resistance, even though it's a flash event and it's going to break that resistance, but it won't be at a go. So a lot of people are saying buy, I said sell. A lot of people are saying buy and I said what? Sell. Sell. I did what? Sell. You can see there. Sell. At what price? Check it out. 1.2329. This is GU. So if I go to GU, you can also see it there. It keys this guy here, and I put it 1.2329. Where is it? 1.2329. You'll be able to see that on a 5-minute chart. 1.2329. Let me take my cross here and show you what I'm talking about. 1.2329. You can see there. 1.2329. 1.2329. That's it. So it kicks that guy here. It kicks it here, right? And then structure. So if you look at 1.2329 where I entered, I go left. You go left. This is it. It corresponds with this structure here. So it all boils back down to structure. So when it hit this place, what did we do? We took a sell. 1.2329. 1.2329 is here. 1.2329. And bingo, what happened? It waited for some time. It went some negative, and then because we understand what we're doing, and a rock bottom towards 1.2312. So we move from 329, 1.2329 to 1.2312, 1.2329 here, right, to 1.2312. Bingo. From here down here, from here down here, and then we took our profit. So what I'm trying to say is this: at that point where we took our profit, what do you think we are going to do? Because it's a flash event, it must retrace. But in the process of retracing, you must understand the skillful way of trading, taking advantages of the price action. It hits a resistance here, which corresponds with this structure. We took a sell, it went down. What do you think we do here when we took that profit? What do you think we do? We take a buy, because that corresponds to a support that was unable to close below. It was unable to close below. The flash event was unable to close below that support. So when we took a sell back to that support, we now do what? We took a buy. As you can see, the buy position is there. We took a buy here, and then it went back to where we entered before, and we took another buy, and that is rolling into profit. This is a live trade that is going on right now. As you can see, it's rolling in right now. It's rolling in, it's rolling in, it's rolling in profit. Come on, take the profit, take the profit, take the profit, guy. So to trade a flash event, calm yourself down. If you are fortunate to be online, decipher what other traders are doing on the other end. Look at the news wire in the MetaTrader. At that point, when they are saying it retraces, a lot of traders sentimentally are buying. Understand that you have to follow the 20% that are making profit. Don't follow the 70-something% that are losing money. So the news came in at 70-something% are saying buy. They're throwing their money. I'm gonna buy it now. Oh, if I don't buy it now, I'm not make profit again. Let me buy it now. Let me buy it now. Let me make my money now. Let me make the money now. Let me throw in all the weight. Guy, calm yourself down. Observe the price action you have put around there as boundaries to the event that is happening. Observe it. Look at it. When you see that plays out, and you see that news comes in, right, and say it's retracing, look at your price action, take your sell, take your money. That's sort of a swing trade. Don't you think so? Sort of a swing trade. I took this sell here, it swing down. I took the buy here, and now it's swinging up. So, and we're not going to take these, these long-term stuff. We're not going to take these until maybe European session open. Do you understand? So we did this on GU, as you can see here, GU, 2 positions. We did this on AU because the flash event also happened on AU. This is a buy position, right? AU, and we did this on EU. Do you understand? And all of them rolling into profit because you understand how the market plays out. I'm going to be releasing more videos, live videos, and I promise you, audience, like the video, share the video. If you have seen anybody that have blown their account on FX, come on, get in touch. You can hit our Facebook page, Profit Point Global Trading Services, you can hit our website page, and then contact. We have powerful ideas, powerful trading skills to to teach people and to make them to overhaul their account and to start making amazing profits. Thank you for listening. See you later. This is TFX, powered by Profit Point Global Trading Services.